Well, it's 7:30 and we are getting out of here. I just took a shower and we're gonna ride home in an air-conditioned car. Dog. So, see you guys when we get back in Oregon. Well, we just got done with our 2-hour car ride. It was pretty nice. I think I dozed off a few times, but a few good songs played, and I'm gonna go look at one of them, and then I'm gonna give it to you as a song suggestion of the day. So, see you in a couple of seconds. Alright, so Beau just looked up the song, and it's called Ain't No Rest for the Wicked, and it's by Cage the Elephant. I think I'm gonna get some of their music, but yeah, go listen to that. Ain't No Rest for the Wicked by Cage the Elephant. So I'll see you guys later. So yeah, we're back at my house. It's it's almost 3 o'clock, 2:40, and we've been playing Guitar Hero for a couple hours. And I'm trying to upload my 4th of July video. It's getting there slowly, but yeah, not much else has happened. Looks like it's a really muggy day. And it's really warm. So talk to you guys later. Guitar. Alright. Bye, Beau.
Bye. Yeah, I think Max will be happy that you let him loan the
Rock Band 1.
Rock Band 1. So Max, if you're watching this, Connor's been so generous enough to loan this to you.
That's right.
See you later.
Bye. Alright, so next week I'm going to be camping, so I won't have a week of vlogs. I'm going to try to film once a day, but I don't know how it's going to work out, so we'll see. And I think they have power there at the campground, so I'll be able to record. I'm just not sure if I'm gonna do like it of all day or just like a couple minutes. I'm probably just gonna summarize it like I used to. But anyways, I think I found the cure for the sneezing. Like if you have allergies like me and you feel a sneeze coming on, in order to stop it, you just push up on your nose. Like if you feel a sneeze over here, you just push up and it stops. Or over here, same thing. It looks silly, doesn't look like it'll work, but it does. And if you're like me and once you sneeze, your nose runs for a couple hours and then it stops and then you sneeze again and then it starts running, it's a pretty good trick. So that's how you stop the sneeze before it starts. So done with day 17. Done with July 5th. The 5th of July. And the days are getting warmer, but we've got rain in the forecast, so maybe tomorrow or the next day there will be some rain. Looking forward to that. Nice break from this heat. So, goodbye.